Okay, welcome. And today we're going to talk about solving problems using formulas. Okay, and so first of all, what is a formula? Well, formula is quite simply a procedure that has been used often to solve a particular type of problem. In fact, it's been used so often that we use it in every case, and we basically it becomes standard, right? So formulas are things, procedures, mathematical procedures that we use to solve problems, and they've come up so often that they just become a standardized way of solving similar problems. Okay, for example, we know that the formula, for example, for the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times the length times 2 times the width. Okay, so the distance around a rectangle is represented by this formula. Okay, formulas typically have multiple letters involved, so different letters that represent different things. Okay, and so this would be an example of a formula for perimeter, specifically the perimeter of a rectangle. Now, what if it was a square, right? Well, you could, with a square, the perimeter becomes 4 times s, because the square, the sides are all equal, so we could just use this formula, okay? And so area, right? We have formulas for area, volume, and things like that. Things that have come up so often that we just made it into a formula, okay? So how do we evaluate a formula? Well, here are the steps, okay? First of all, you've got to write a formula in order to evaluate it. So you take the context of the problem and you read the problem carefully and decide, okay, what is it that they want me to find? And then use a formula, write a formula for that unknown, right? Then two, you're going to rewrite the formula substituting the letters with any unknown value. So any letter that has a known value that's given to you, you're going to substitute in for all of the known values and replace those letters. And then three, once you're done with substituting letters, then you're going to perform all the indicated operations using the order of operations. Okay, solving for the unknown variable. And then four, once you solve it for that one unknown variable, then you're going to interpret the solution within the context of the formula. Because in every problem that you get, a word problem has a context, and you want to make sure that you are able to interpret the results based on that context. Okay? And that includes also units, making sure you include the correct units. Okay? And that's it. So we'll do some examples, and that's it. Have a great day.